Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to enable Magnifier or how to zoom on your laptop screen. If you want to enable the full screen magnifier on your computer, you have to use the three keys combination of string on the left, search and M. And by pressing these three buttons together, you will enable the full screen magnifier. To keep it on, select this option, and to turn it off, click right here. Let's keep it on and let's see what it looks like. Then you can use the same combination of keys to turn your magnifier on. And if you want to use the docked magnifier, you have to use string, search and the combination of keys, then select continue to continue using it. You can adjust the size of the magnifier by moving this bar. And to disable it, again use string, search D. You can also enable the magnifiers from settings. To do this, go to launcher, go to settings, then go to accessibility settings right here. Then select display and magnification, and to enable full screen magnifier, switch this toggle to the right. To enable docked magnifier, switch this one to the right. Then you can also change the zoom level in here, and you can decide where you want to keep your mouse pointer if you're using a full screen magnifier. And that's basically how you use magnification on your computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.